Hey everyone, and welcome to the video today. My name is Elizabeth, and in today's video I'm going to show you what I do with my earnings that I make from Paid Viewpoint. I've talked about Paid Viewpoint before in the past, and I have several videos on that. And for those of you who don't know what it is, it's basically a website where you take short surveys and they pay you to do so. The great thing about Paid Viewpoint, I've said this a million times, is you do not have to pre-qualify for the surveys. So if there's a survey waiting for you, as you can see right here, this is my account, and if there's a survey waiting for you, that means you're going to be able to complete the survey and you're going to get paid. It's not like you have to pre-qualify and then find out, oh, you're not right for the survey and you just wasted a lot of time. So you're definitely going to get paid. That's one reason this is one of my favorite websites to make a little extra money. And at the end of the video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I do with this money that I'm earning. I invest it, and I'm going to show you the program that I use to invest my money in so that it grows even more. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so let me show you what these surveys are like and how easy they are. So we're going to click right here, and it's going to bring us to the survey. Your education level is 4-year degree, and your household income is... So these are just demographic questions that I have answered before. And periodically they'll ask you those again just to make sure it's you. So these are real simple questions. What cereal brands have you purchased in the last month? Which of these items do you regularly make purchase decisions about? Okay, so that was what's called a trait survey, and I received 10 cents just for answering those questions. So that's a pretty good payout because those are super simple questions that took me less than a minute to do. And it also says I have another survey waiting, so anytime it says this right here, you can click on it and you'll have another survey. Some are longer than others, but to be honest, I've never had one that took me more than 3 minutes tops. Okay, we're not talking about 20-minute surveys or anything like that. Most of them are around 1 to 3 minutes long, and it just depends on how long it takes you to answer the questions. But they're basically multiple choice, just like what you saw. Occasionally there'll be one or two where they ask you to, write a little something about whatever they're asking about, like how you feel about. Sometimes they'll show you a product brand or something, and you'll just have to write out a sentence or two. But that's pretty rare. So most of them are multiple choice, which makes it real simple, real easy. So right now I have $25.39. And so what I can do at this point is I'm going to click on that. I've met the requirement, which I believe is, I think it's $20 or $15. It might be $15 that you can cash out. That's the minimum you have to have before you can request a cash out. So I'm at it right now. And I like to cash out with PayPal, but you can also do, depending on what country you're in, you can also do Amazon or the Walmart gift card. So all I do is click over here to PayPal, and I'm going to click cash out now via PayPal. And as you can see, the piggy bank here broke, and I currently have 0. So that's because it's giving me my cash out. So that'll be in my PayPal account probably tomorrow. And what I'm going to do with that, I've told you I would show you how I invest this money. So what I do is I take that $25 that I just requested, and I'm going to put it in a website called Acorns. So this is Acorns right here. And what you do with Acorns is you sign up for it, and you can invest as little as like $5 a month if you want, and they'll invest that into different portfolios for you. You can pick which ones you want, or you can have them do it for you if you're not really sure how you want to invest it. And so this does two things. One, it saves your money aside for you. So if $5 a month, you're not going to feel that. Most people are not going to notice that they've even that $5 has been taken out of their account every month. But that's being saved and put aside, plus you're also earning money from that. So it's a great way to save and to invest and to help grow your money. So the other thing you can do is you can make one-time investments of, so for instance, this $25 that I just earned, I'm going to drop this into my Acorns account and let that earn more money. So this is a great, I just love this website. It's a website, and then it's also an app on your phone. So you download the app, and you're able to keep track of your investments and everything there. It's free to sign up. However, I mean, you obviously need to, for it to work, you need to put money in. So you'll have to connect a bank account, which is real simple to do. And then just choose what you want to do. If you want to do $5 a month, if you want to do less, if you want to do more, you can do that. I started out at $5 a month, and like I said, I didn't notice it at all. And I realized that I was saving my money and that it was also growing. And so I decided I was going to up my amount, so I went to $10 a month. And as I started making more money with my businesses and stuff, and with the other things that I do, I would just kind of put aside some money. So for instance, with the paid viewpoint money that I just earned here, I'm going to put that into the Acorns account instead of putting it directly into my bank account and letting it sit there and do nothing. I'm going to put it in here and let it earn even more money. Okay, so I'm going to leave a link to both paid viewpoint and then also to Acorns if you want to start investing with that. If you sign up with the link that I'm going to put in the description box, you're going to get a $5 to start investing with Acorns. So they're going to put $5 into your account immediately, and you're going to be able to get started with $5. So it's worth checking out. So I suggest this for anybody who's interested in growing their money and having the ability to easily set money aside. This is a perfect application for that. So I hope you found this video useful, and if so, go ahead and hit the like button. That really helps me out a lot, and it puts my video in front of other people. And so hit that thumbs up button if you have a chance. And also subscribe if you want more videos like this.